Most people getting the COVID vaccine right now are elderly, but trends show less people of color are getting the vaccine compared to white people. Our Nixon Norman explains the racial disparities in the vaccine rollout.
Vaccines have been put into people's arms throughout Alabama for 2 months now.
We've been able to vaccinate patients not only in Jefferson County, but really from all over the state of Alabama.
But data shows an interesting trend. Most of the people receiving the vaccine are white, and only about 21% of the African American community have received theirs, with even lower percentages for other minority groups.
About 7% to Asians, 3% to Hispanic or Latino individuals, and 67% to white. There's a remainder that's for people who are either in the other or unknown category.
Although the numbers show some disparities, officials say giving equal opportunity to receive the vaccine to every race and ethnicity is important.
We want to make sure that equity is something we're thinking about in our vaccine distribution. That's at the front of our minds from day one when we started our vaccine rollout. We wanted to make sure that we're reaching all the different people who need vaccine.
COVID-19 is hitting minorities harder, with high death rates in African American, Native American, and Latinx communities.
We just know there's something that we don't understand that makes COVID disproportionately affect some of these minority populations.
Some of the lower percentages of minorities receiving the vaccine is due to vaccine hesitancy, but there are some things that can be done to combat that.
Some of the minority communities, we still had encountered pockets of more vaccine hesitancy.
Education is key when it comes to battling vaccine hesitancy. Luckily, UAB and 3 other groups are hosting virtual COVID info sessions. There are 2 more opportunities to sit in on one during the next couple of weeks.
And after we have an opportunity to share that information and try to be transparent, many people do elect to go ahead and receive the vaccine.
To find out more about these COVID info sessions, visit our website at rocketcitynow.com. Putting the Valley first, Nixon Norman, WZDX News.